Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the work from home or else the online tutor jobs, guys. So it is a very good news and a very good opportunity to the candidates, okay, who are having the graduation in any specialization. Okay, then you are going to get per month approximately or else nearer to the 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so from the website or else the online tutor jobs, whatever I'm going to show you right now in this video. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of jobs in this pandemic situation. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to them. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a tutor I work from office. Okay, so tutors or teachers, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, English, and few more subjects are also there. Okay, I will show you. And here freshers also can apply to this one. Why? Because the 0 to 5 years is mentioned, and the 2 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees per annum. That means approximately will get the around 50,000 rupees per month. I mean, that is the maximum. And the total number of openings are 20. So 8 days ago it was posted, and already 1,380 candidates are applied to this one. Okay, and coming to the remaining details of this one, I will show you in the official website of this one, guys. That is tutori.com. Okay, so it is a tutori website. Okay, so you may check down here clearly. And coming to this naukri.com website, the job description is online tutor need to explain the concept and answer the questions of US or Canadian K-12 and college students. So demonstrating academic competence in subject areas, ability to communicate scientific and mathematical concepts clearly. So contribute to students' learning, growth and advancement. Maintains a growth mindset towards student learning and teaching practice. Okay, so these are the different job descriptions, guys. Having knowledge of online scientific or mathematical tools, basic computer operating skills and good typing speed. Okay, so teaching or online tutoring experience would be an added advantage. And coming to the skills and experience, bachelor's or master's or PhD degree in any area of expertise. Freshers are having 1 year of experience in the relevant field of teaching domain. Having good knowledge of teaching or content preparation and assignment help. Experience in classroom teaching in K-12, college or university levels. So take an earnest interest in their students' academic achievement. Fine. So these are all the skills and experience required, yes. And if you are interested, you may send your CV to this mentioned mail ID, that is hrm@tutori.com. Okay, that is the mail ID, guys. So if you are interested in this one and if you are looking for the online tutor jobs, then you may send your resume to this mentioned mail ID. And coming to the details here, so okay, coming to the official website. So you just go to the Google and type the TUTOREYE. Okay. So I will just show you here, guys. TUTOREYE. So click on that one. Then here you will get the tutor I. So click on this one and then you will be directed to the official website of this one, guys. And here become a tutor is there. So click on this one. Then you will be directed to the application form. See, guys, here the total few steps are there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Okay, 5 steps are there. So what are the steps means? First, submit your application on Tutori portal. That means, are you interested in tutoring with us? Then submit your application on our portal and we will get back to you as soon as we can. If you are right fit, we will conduct a subject test consisting of 30 MCQs, or else you need to write a plagiarism free essay in case you are applying as an English tutor. So how to submit your application on this portal means, see guys, start your application process now. Okay, if you click on this one, then automatically you can able to start your application process. So it is a step 1 guys. And step 2, undergo a simple approval process and get verified. So to become a tutor at Tutorai, you conduct internal checks and we will verify your qualifications, certifications, teaching experience, proof of education, address proof and even ID credentials also. So in order to enroll, you will ask to also submit a signed copy of Tutorai service agreement. That means they will provide the agreement also. So you have to read the agreement carefully. And this is done to provide a safe learning space for all students. And step 3, induction and onboarding process. So get familiar with our process of conducting live sessions and written help designed to help our students to enhance our teaching experience. So Tutorai provides you the whiteboard training using classroom tools to conduct interactive live sessions, and we will have the multiple practice sessions to ensure you are ready to conduct your first class. So once you are set, we will activate your profile. Okay. And step 4. So set your schedule. Sharpen your profile by setting your availability. So power up your profile by giving us a profile video that brings out your personality and biodata that describes your teaching experience, and you need good to engage with students to help them resolve the queries. And last step is happy tutoring. So encash your knowledge by accepting instant tutoring opportunities and homework help request. So congratulations, you are certified tutor at iTutorai now. Fine. So total is all the 5 steps guys. So carefully follow all these 5 steps, but please be careful at the time of registering here. Are they asking any money or like that? Okay, so please be confident about this thing and then start applying guys. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding this online tutor from the tutorai.com website. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide